Testosterone does not cause hair loss, at least not directly. There's another hormone, DHT. DHT is responsible for the male pattern baldness some guys get. Now, testosterone does convert into DHT. So in theory, one would think the higher the testosterone one has, whether that's natural or through TRT, the more DHT they have and the more likely they'll go bald. This is not true for everyone. It's going to be genetic. Some men have more receptors in their scalp for DHT than others. These men are at a higher risk of going bald. Now, if on TRT and you're concerned about going bald or having your hair thinning, then I suggest that you go for the injectables as opposed to the gels or the cream. Reason being is that there's an enzyme. It's called 5-alpha reductase. 5-alpha reductase is what's responsible for converting testosterone into DHT. We have a higher concentration of 5-alpha reductase on our skin. So when you're using the TRTs or creams, you're gonna get a higher concentration of testosterone come into contact with the enzyme. So that means you're gonna have a higher concentration of DHT. And now if you also have a high concentration of the receptors in your scalp, then you're that much more likely to go bald.